Jamaica. See you later. See what we get up to today. Okay guys, so we're at London Victoria at the moment, so we're gonna take the tube today. Let's go. Victoria Victoria Line.
Mind the gap, please.
Alright guys, I'm in Tottenham now. So it's a bit of South London meets North London. I am the South Londoner coming to North London. Come chill out with my family. Anyways, I'm heading to their house now. Hunting. So on a little bit. Miss Charlie Sheen. Where is she?
Trying to figure out.
I'm not doing you. It's me.
Where'd you get this?
Amazon.
Okay, you're professional.
And alright.
I need help. I don't.
You've got so much hair.
I have not worn my natural hair in forever.
Just put something around it.
Something like what?
I don't know, something.
You're so helpful. Like you just. I was gonna try and get in one of these, but
Not like catch it up in one. Do it like
I know,
a Afro puffy anyway, Diggy. Huh? So I'm gonna take this one.
You know how we get up? From the main entrance, when there's the costa, there's the escalator.
Yeah, that's what we do.
see how long it takes us to get through this.
The whole walk home. over here. She doesn't want me to show her, so that's
wearing
the
them
only
off,
thing.
so that might-
Wow, now she wants to be seen. Okay, guys, we are going home. Keep Charlie's afro. Get that afro, girl. Get that afro, girl. Oh. Yeah, I have nothing to say, so bye. Welcome to Tottenham, y'all. No! Our bus is coming! Hold up, we them boys. This is gonna be shaky.
You need one of those. Take it like this.
Got me patches.
I think that one too.
Eat them for dinner or something. Or lunch. They got curry lamb and chicken. Jerk chicken. Okay. Fatty McFat, still picking up fatty food.
You want anything for you?
You got bare bags here. So Fatty's buying all her fat stuff. Go on, Fatty. Go on, Fatty, scanner things. Go on. Oh gosh. It's a two-seater. Okay, I can do this. Right? Wow. Wee. Oh wait, no.
It's so heavy. I can feel it.
Oh gosh. Okay. So, as I was saying, I did the COVID test. Can you even hear me? Can you hear me? What's happening? It's Tottenham. Why are you so
That's not police though.
fire? Yeah, so you had to take the swab out the bag thing and then the thing. The tube thing. And then he's like, rub around your tonsils.
Oh, you have to do it yourself.
Yeah. Push it as far back into your throat and rub your tonsils, but don't let it touch your tongue, your teeth, or your cheeks. So you have to just get it in there, rub it around.
No, oh, you see, I would have failed already. Like,
and then, take it out and put it in your nose. I was
I
like,
had the same one.
yes, they give you
At least
one.
they didn't let you take the other way around.
When he said that, he was like, okay, everyone, because there was 4 of us under the tent. And he was like, okay, so everyone done with the throat? And we're like, yeah. And he's like, okay, so put the swab up your nose now. And everyone's like, where's the other one? And he's like, no, the same one. I'm like, ugh.
Was it double-sided? Or?
No. But yeah, the people that were doing the drive-through.
Should be worried about what just stabbed you.
It just poked me in the throat.
Okay. It
So,
sounds normal for you.
these people, they were on the other half of the parking lot. So they parked down there, so, and then they did the test in their car, and then someone stood at their window.
Like,
So they stand at your window, explain it, and then you do it yourself in the car.
Because I saw, who was it? Gabe? Babe
I
and
think
Gabe.
so.
I think I saw them do a test. I think it was that. The song, and they were talking about how painful it was.
I didn't want to do the home one because I'm pretty sure I would have messed it up. And then
Yeah. Now that you're saying
to
it, I'm like, I
try
probably
and
would.
send it back is just another whole thing. So, but like Americans have to do it before they go to Jamaica. It's not mandatory for me.
Isn't it?
Where did that? How even? Like, how is it in the?
I can't get it out.
When it leaves your hand, make sure it's straight.
Okay. Like, so do I throw it that way or that way?
However's more comfortable. Just make sure it's flat when it leaves your hand.
But it was flat.
It was not.
Okay.
Look how. Oh! How? The first one was such a fail. And how did you? What?
Okay, I think that's enough.
Oh well.
Yeah, we're just gonna not do darting anymore. So guys, I still have a little distance to go for my journey. So I'm gonna catch another bus